H-Teamers, welcome to Physics Labs.
Time to make your very own electromagnet.
Today we're going to make an electromagnet. So to make this, all you're going to need is a 3-inch iron screw or nail, a D battery, 3-foot insulated copper, and some electrical tape. But we're going to be using a 12-inch copper wire instead of 3 feet. So to start, we're going to use our 3-inch screw, or iron screw, or if you're using a nail. And then you're obviously going to have a 3-foot insulated copper wire, but we have a 12-inch. So if you have the 3-foot, all you're going to need to do is save 10 inches for both of the sides to stick out. Oops, sorry about that. But since we're using 12, we're going to stick out 3 inches on both of the sides like that. So you're going to start 10 inches, but since we're using a 12-inch, we're going to start 3 inches, and you're going to want to twirl this up around the screw/nail, but make sure none of the wiring or copper wiring are touching each other when you move it around. So since you're going to start with 10 inches, I made like a little curve to make sure where I'm starting. Or let's start on this side, just because these ridges can help twirl it around. And you want to make sure this part is sticking out. And let's take this part out. And then you just want to twirl down. Oops. Make sure it doesn't hit your face. Oops, it's coming apart. Make sure you got the 3 inches right there. And then you're just going to want to twirl. Alright, so now that I've done it, I made sure none of them were really touching. Your coils are not really touching them, a little close. It's fine. And then now we're gonna use a D battery, and we're gonna put the ends. Here, let's maybe turn this around. We're gonna put the ends on this part, and we're gonna use the electrical tape now. So you can put that end on, and then put the tape. So as you can tell, it's touching the bump or the ridge or whatever you want to call it. It is falling on me. Then put the tape, and you can kind of tell when the wire's touching, because as you can tell, you can see it touching the part. And then you want to do it for the same side. Got another thing, and now you see this ridge is like more inwards. So put it. Sorry, it's hard to get a good angle. Put it there. Then get the electrical tape. So I'm gonna let go. And then kind of push it down. It's a little hard. It's like slipping on the ridge, and then put the electrical tape, just like so. There you go. Now they are attached. Ta-da! And there you go. That's your electromagnet. And now we are gonna check if our electromagnet is working. So since we have our screw, we are gonna get something magnetic. Can't even talk. Anyway, you put that there. Then you have the sharp part, and then see if it works. And it does. If you pick it up a little, as you can tell, it does pick it up. It's like a magnet. So now that we have our electromagnet, it's basically a magnet without any magnets. We can put these onto the sharp part, and it's not as strong as a magnet, but it's somewhat close, and it picks up all. Like a magnet, it attracts metal, but not as strong. Alright, that's cool. Got 2. So I'm gonna get 4. Anyways, so that's your electromagnet.
Alright, H-Teamers, I hope you had so much fun playing with all the physics experiments. Don't forget to share them with all our social medias.
Hey everybody! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!